Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Argentina on Saturday, marking the third leg of his five-nation tour of the Global South. He was accorded a grand welcome upon his arrival in the capital, Buenos Aires. On reaching the hotel, Prime Minister Modi received another warm reception, with members of the Indian community gathering in large numbers to greet him. The crowd enthusiastically raised slogans of Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Modi Modi. In an exclusive conversation with DD News, Dr. Jorge Berra of the Prema Ayurveda Trust in Argentina highlighted the growing recognition of Ayurveda in Latin America. He noted that this growth followed the establishment of India's Ministry of Ayush. He emphasized Ayurveda's vital role during the COVID-19 pandemic in Argentina and noted the increasing interest in Ayurveda studies across the region. Dr. Berra expressed deep gratitude to India for promoting Ayurveda globally and praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership in advancing this ancient science. He said, "Ayurveda has impacted me because it brings together body, mind, soul, and nature. It views the person as a whole and addresses health, balance, and disease while using natural remedies beneficial for patients." Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Argentina represents a historic milestone in India-Argentina relations, said Jose Toscano, president of the American region at Godrej Consumer Products Limited, in an exclusive conversation with DD India. Toscano emphasized the strong complementarities between the two economies, particularly in sectors such as pharmaceuticals, agriculture, digital infrastructure, and technology.
Who is the president
Terming the
and
visit
CEO
very
of the
important
American
and
region
historic,
of Godrej
Toscano
Consumer
noted
Products
that it could
Limited.
serve
Thank you
as
so
a
much for
turning
talking
point
to
in bilateral
Doordarshan.
relations.
First of all,
India
how are
has
you
a lot
looking
to
at
offer
the
to
Prime Minister
Argentina,
Modi's
he
visit to
said,
Argentina? How
citing
will
the
it give a
pharmaceutical
major
industry
push
as
to
a
the
prime
trade and the
example.
business ties
He
going
highlighted
forward?
India's ability to bring down
Thank you for
drug
having me. I
prices
think
for
this is a
Argentine
very
consumers and
important
pointed
visit,
to the country's
historic
advanced
milestone for
industrial
the relationship
manufacturing
between India and
capabilities,
Argentina.
which he
I
believes
see a
could
lot of
benefit Argentina.
complementaries between the two
Toscano also
countries.
underscored
I
what
think,
Argentina can
India
offer
has a
in
lot to
return,
offer to Argentina.
particularly in the
When I
agricultural
think on the
sector.
pharma industry,
Argentina still has
medicines
many
taking
things
down
to
the
offer
prices
to
that
India
Argentinian
in agri, oils,
Prime Minister
seeds,
Narendra Modi's
talent,
visit to Argentina
he.
is going to be
Reflecting on his
significant
long
from the economic
association
point of
with
view as
India,
well, from
Dr.
a trade
Berra
ties
shared,
perspective
"I
as well.
have been going to
give an
India for almost
analytical
40
aspect
years
of
and
Prime
have
Minister
witnessed
Modi's
how
visit to
Ayurveda
Argentina.
has
I am
transformed
joined
since
by
the
the
creation of the
Executive
Ministry of
Director of
Ayush
the
under Prime Minister
India-Argentina
Modi's
Business Council to
leadership
talk
in
on this. Thank you
2014.
so much for
Things have
talking to
changed
us.
significantly.
First of all, sir,
He
how
added,
is
"We
the
now have
India-Argentina
multiple
Business
moves with
Council
renowned
looking at
Ayurvedic
the Indian Prime
institutions
Minister
such as the
Modi's
Central
visit
Council for
to
Research
Argentina
in
for the
Ayurveda,
economic-
Rajasthan
sir,
Ayurveda
how do you see this
University,
visit of
and
Indian Prime
Institute of
Minister
Teaching and Research in
How will it shape
Ayurveda,
the balance
ITRA,
between
in
both
Jamnagar.
countries?
This
Well, first of
progress
all,
is
of course,
possible
we
because India
appreciate
has
very much
opened
the
Ayurveda to
visit
the
of
world,
Prime
and
Minister
for
Modi
this,
to Argentina.
we are deeply
Very, very
grateful.
important,
We
and we are
also
very
highly
happy.
appreciate the work
Especially
of
when
Prime
India
Minister
is
Narendra
becoming a
Modi.
so
Prime
important
Minister
country in
Narendra
the world
Modi arrived
and
in
a country
Argentina
that is
on
global
Saturday for a two-day visit,
power.
marking the third
So
leg of
we
his five-nation
appreciate
tour.
this very much.
During the
India is also
visit,
engaging
Prime Minister
a lot
Modi
with
will
that
hold talks with the top
with
leadership of
countries.
Argentina
So
to
how do you
review
see these
existing
engagements,
cooperation
Prime,
and
and what
explore
can we
avenues
expect
to
as
strengthen
far as
ties in key areas.
of Indian
The
Prime
visit aims to further deepen the multifaceted
and
strategic
Latin American
partnership
economies,
between
especially
India and
these parts
Argentina.
are very
This is the
complementary.
first
So
bilateral
that's why,
visit by an Indian Prime
Ayurveda
Minister
is
to
becoming
Argentina
popular
in
in
57
a
years.
country like Argentina.
Prime Minister
To
Modi
talk
was
more on
warmly
that, I
welcomed
am
by the
joined
Indian
by
community
Dr. George
upon
Berra,
his
who
arrival
is
in
the
Buenos
director
Aires.
of
Members of the
Prema
diaspora
Ayurveda
gathered
Trust.
at a hotel
Sir,
in the city,
first of all, thank you so
greeting
much
him
for
with
joining us on
enthusiastic
Doordarshan.
slogans,
My first question to
traditional
you is that
songs, and
what
cultural
attracts you towards
gestures.
Ayurveda? What
As
brings
Prime
closer to you
Minister
for the
Modi
Ayurvedic
arrived at the
practices and
hotel,
Ayurveda
the
treatment?
Indian diaspora showed
Ayurveda
their zeal
has
and pride by
impacted
chanting
me
Sare Jahan
because
se
has the
Achha
opportunity
Hindustan
to
Hamara,
bring
turning the
together and
moment
to
into a
bring
vibrant
together
celebration of
body,
Indian
mind
culture
and soul
abroad.
and also nature.
Cultural
And
artists performed in
also
front of the Prime
Ayurveda see the
Minister,
person in
presenting
whole
classical
and
Indian dance
also
forms
have the
including
opportunity
Odissi,
to see
Bharatanatyam,
health
and
and balance
Kathak.
and disease,
One of the
and have
performers
the
said,
opportunity also
"Namaskar.
to bring
We
a lot of
presented Odissi,
natural
Bharatanatyam,
treatments
and
that are
Kathak,
very useful
and
for
we
the
are super
patient."
So,
thrilled to
Prime
have
Minister
this
Narendra
opportunity.
Modi, we have seen
It's
he has
such a
given major
blessing for
push
us
to
to perform in
Ayurveda. He
front
has
of him
established
and
an
offer
Ayush
a very
ministry in India,
traditional piece,
and he is taking
Ammalari, Pushpanjali, sand dance, and music. Another
Prime Minister
artist
Narendra
shared her
Modi has arrived in
experience.
Argentina
I saw the
and,
Prime Minister
people
looking
of,
at us intently,
Indian diaspora,
and then at
they
some
welcomed
point,
Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And not
Prime
only
Minister
that, it is
Narendra Modi on
basically the
Saturday
Argentine
paid
people,
tribute
they are
to
also welcoming
Argentina's
Indian
national
Prime Minister
hero,
Narendra Modi. Well,
General
first of
Jose
all,
de
I
San
have
Martin,
the
at a
cultural
solemn
artist with me
ceremony
who
in
performed in
Buenos
front of Prime
Aires.
Minister Modi.
He laid a
First of
wreath
all,
at the
Anandini,
San
tell us
Martin
that what
Memorial
sort of,
located in the historic
cultural
Plaza
art
San
form it
Martin.
presented in front of Prime Minister
The
Modi.
imposing equestrian monument honors General San Martin, a central figure in Argentina's independence and a liberator of Argentina, Chile, and Peru. Prime Minister Modi's tribute reflected India's respect for Argentina's rich history and national icons. Prime
What
Minister
did Prime
Modi
Minister
is
Modi
scheduled to
tell you
meet
when you- when
Argentine
he,
President
met you,
Javier Milei
when
for
you were
talks
performing
later
with
in the day.
I saw
The
him looking
leaders
at
will
us
discuss
intently,
expanding
and
the
then at some
strategic
point,
partnership
I hear him
across
saying
trade,
Sabash
clean
and
energy,
praising us.
defense,
You know what
and
Shabazz
technology,
means?
aiming to
It's,
boost
great work.
cooperation between India and
I'm so
Argentina.
happy that,
Argentine
it went
President
on
Javier
well,
Milei
and,
welcomed Prime
had
Minister
this amazing
Narendra Modi
opportunity
at the
to
presidential
perform.
palace,
Yeah,
Casa
so
Rosada,
different
in
styles
Buenos
together
Aires.
in
A
Argentina,
ceremonial
welcoming
reception
different-
was
Ek
held in
Bharat,
honor of the
Shresth
Indian
Bharat. That
leader,
means the
reflecting
India
the
coming
strengthening
together,
ties
it's
between
one
the
India
two
primarily.
strategic partners.
These people might be from
Following
different
the
states
formal
in India,
welcome,
but,
both
they
leaders are
living in
expected to
Argentina,
engage
but
in
today
high-level
they are
talks to
saying
advance the
that, we are
India-Argentina
from India,
strategic
this is
partnership.
Bharat, and of
The
course,
agenda
they
includes
want to sing some
discussions
song
on
first of all.
trade,
Yeah, what was
renewable
that
energy,
song?
defense cooperation, and bilateral investment opportunities. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi visited Plaza de San Martin, where he paid homage to General Jose de San Martin, revered as the father of Argentina. Prime Minister Modi laid a wreath at the San Martin Memorial as a mark of respect.
The three major Indian oil companies, that is ONGC Videsh, Oil India and GAIL, they too have signed something which will not only be looking at the gas proportion, but also critical minerals. So there is an immense possibility and a lot of scope, and I'm sure that in the coming years we will have many more good news.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi held delegation-level talks with Argentina's President Javier Milei in Buenos Aires, focusing on further strengthening the multifaceted
Both
strategic
leaders
partnership
also
between the two
acknowledged the
nations.
importance of the
External
agriculture
Affairs
sector
Minister S.
and its
Jaishankar
significant
and Foreign
contribution to
Secretary
the economies
Vikram
on both
Misri were
sides.
also present during the
They
discussions.
discussed the need to
Earlier,
enhance market
President
access
Nili
for
welcomed
each
Prime
other's
Minister Modi
agricultural
with a
and dairy
warm hug at
products.
Casa Rosada,
They also
the
emphasized the
presidential
importance of
palace.
sharing knowledge
The
and
Prime
technology
Minister was
to
accorded
boost
a
productivity
ceremonial
and sustainability
reception,
in this sector.
highlighting the strong and
To take
friendly
this forward,
ties between India
they
and
directed
Argentina.
their teams
Prime
to
Minister
convene
Modi's
the
visit
joint
to
working group on
Argentina is the
agriculture
third leg
at
of
the
his
earliest
ongoing
opportunity.
five-nation tour,
The
aimed
two
at
leaders
boosting
also had an
bilateral
opportunity to discuss
cooperation across
cooperation
various
in
sectors.
the energy and critical
Providing
mineral
details of
sectors.
Prime Minister Narendra
Prime
Modi's
Minister
meeting with Argentine
underlined
President
India's
Javier
growing
Milei,
energy
Secretary,
and industrial
Peace,
needs
in the
and
Ministry of
emphasized
External
that
Affairs,
Argentina
P.
could
Kumaran,
serve as a
said the
reliable
two
partner
leaders
in
held
supporting
comprehensive
India's
discussions on
developmental
strengthening
journey.
bilateral ties. Both
With
sides
the
agreed
world's
on the
second largest
diversification
shale
and
gas and
expansion
fourth
of trade
largest
between
shale oil
India and
reserves,
Argentina.
along with
Prime
substantial
Minister Modi also
conventional oil
sought
and gas
Argentina's
deposits,
support for a trade
Argentina
agreement
holds
between India and
strong potential
Mercosur,
to become
a
an
regional
important
trade
energy
bloc
partner for
comprising
India.
Argentina, Brazil,
Argentina's
Paraguay,
rich reserves of
Uruguay,
critical
and
minerals,
Venezuela.
including lithium,
Such an
copper,
agreement is expected
and
to
rare
give a
earth
significant
elements,
boost to
aligned
India's
with
trade
India's need
relations
for
with the
secure
region.
and sustainable resources.
Prime Minister Modi
to drive its
highlighted
clean energy
India's progress
transition
in
and
the
industrial
agriculture
growth.
and rural sector,
The two leaders
particularly the
discussed
success
the
of the Drone
necessity
Didi
of
initiative,
diversifying and
and
expanding
expressed
bilateral
interest
trade.
in deepening cooperation
The
in
Prime Minister
agriculture and dairy sectors.
requested Argentina's
Both leaders
support
directed the
in
formation of
expanding
a
the
joint working
India-Mercosur
committee to take forward
preferential trade
sector-specific
agreement,
collaboration.
noting that such an
Discussions
expansion
also
can bring
included
mutual
expanding
benefits for both
ties in
sides and open up
pharmaceuticals,
new
space,
opportunities.
and energy. Given the needs
Both
of
leaders
modern
also
industry,
expressed
the two leaders
interest in
focused on
enhancing collaboration
cooperation
in
in
the defense
critical
sector,
minerals as well.
where they
Prime
felt
Minister
that
Modi also
they can
shared India's
leverage their
achievements in
respective
economic
experiences
reforms,
and
the
capabilities
startup ecosystem,
to
and the
increase
success of digital
cooperation
innovations
and
such
contribute
as
to
UPI
mutual
and the broader
strategic
Digital
interests.
India revolution. As part of his official visit to Argentina, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred the key to the city of Buenos Aires by Mr. Jorge Macri, chief of the city government of Buenos Aires. The symbolic honor reflects the deepening ties between India and Argentina and the city's recognition of India's growing global stature. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has departed for Brazil after concluding his historic visit to Argentina. Prime Minister Modi will attend the 17th BRICS Summit 2025 followed by a state visit. This will be Prime Minister's fourth visit to Brazil. The 17th BRICS Leaders Summit will be held in Rio de Janeiro. During the summit, Prime Minister will exchange views on key global issues including reform of global governance, peace and security, strengthening multilateralism, responsible use of artificial intelligence, climate action, global health, economic and financial matters.